I'd like to introduce you to this rather beautiful 1978 930 Turbo. This is the car when I was a kid, was the one that was on the bedroom wall along with the Lamborghini Countach and the Ferrari 308. This is a really beautiful example. It's originally from Germany. It's a matching numbers car with a certificate of authenticity. Went through a full restoration about 3 years ago. So engine rebuild. Paintwork on the certificate is in Grand Prix White, but it's been changed to Continental Orange. And I'm super excited to take this car up the road, so let's show you how she goes.